In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use points in Amtrak. To get started, head over to the Amtrak website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the trip search area where you can enter your travel details. This is where you'll set up your booking and make sure Amtrak shows fares that can be paid with points instead of cash. First, click on the round trip option if you're planning to travel to your destination and then return. Choosing the correct trip type at the beginning helps make sure your search results match the kind of ticket you want to book. Next, enter your departure location. This is the station or city you'll be leaving from. After that, add your destination, which is where you want to travel to. Be careful when selecting both locations so your route is accurate before moving on. Once your locations are in place, add your depart date. This tells Amtrak when you want to start your trip. Then enter your return date for the trip back. Make sure both dates are correct, since changing them later can affect train availability and the number of points required. After that, add the number of travelers. This is important because the total points needed will depend on how many people are included in the reservation. Double check the traveler count so your results reflect the right total. Now comes the key step if you want to book with rewards. Look for the option labeled Use Points and toggle it on. This tells Amtrak to display fares and points rather than standard dollar pricing. It's an easy step to miss, so make sure it's switched on before you continue. Once everything is filled out, click on Find Trains. Amtrak will then load available train options based on your route, dates, and traveler details, using points as the payment method. On the results page, look toward the top right-hand side. You'll be able to see how many points you currently have available. This is useful because you can quickly compare your balance against the cost of the trip you're considering. Next, look at the departure section of the train results. This area shows the available fare choices for your outbound trip. As you review the options, you'll also be able to see how many points are needed to book each fare. That lets you decide whether a particular train fits your points balance and travel plans. And that's how to use points in Amtrak. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll be able to search for trains and clearly see how many